Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming app and account prerequisites so the transfer won't fail. Open WhatsApp and check iOS and app updates. Once done, install Google Drive and sign into the Google account you'll use. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and that drive has enough free space. Now open WhatsApp settings Chats Chat Backup to view current iCloud backup details. Make a note of backup size and last backup date before proceeding. You'll need to export important chats and then stop iCloud backups so files aren't duplicated. Export selected chats with media via Chat Contact Info Export Chat and save to Files or Drive. Next, go to iPhone settings your name iCloud and toggle off WhatsApp backup. Make sure WhatsApp data is not backing up to iCloud anymore. Meanwhile, in Google Drive, create a dedicated folder and verify upload permissions so you can move exported files into that folder later. Now complete the switch by uploading your exported chat files into the Google Drive folder you created. Use the Files app or Drive app to move items directly. Once uploaded, double-check iPhone settings to ensure WhatsApp is removed from iCloud backups and disable automatic iCloud backup for the device if necessary. Make sure files open correctly in Drive. If something fails, re-export the affected chat and re-upload. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads stall, toggle Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.